Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your phone number to the Vinted app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, we have to open up the Vinted app. And here, after it loads, it opens up in the home menu. But from here we have to go into the profile menu in the bottom right corner, and then scroll down, tap on settings, then tap on account settings. And here at the top we find phone number. If you tap on verify, we can just enter our phone number here, then tap on add phone number, and it's just going to be added to our account and will probably appear next to our profile. And then we're making sure that people can connect us who are buying stuff from our page. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.